Hey guys, we're at the TPC Racing dyno room in a 991.1 GT3 Cup car here with Mike Levinas. Mike, tell us what you're doing.
Well, Tom, what we're doing is we're just finished breaking in a 4-liter engine that we finished building. This is the one that we run in a lot of the different club series. This is a 991 Gen 1, so this is a 2014 through 2016 car. We build a 4-liter engine. It requires the factory Mala P's and C's. We use the factory 4-liter crankshaft, and we use the factory countershaft and the components. And you'll see by the performance, these things are just brilliant. They make 440 to the tire with this configuration, and typically if we torque the intake manifold and do a little bit of massaging in the intake manifold only, they make about 460 to the tire. The stock is about 410, 412 to the tire on the 3.8. So let's make a pull. What I'm doing right now is I had a little bit of an injector imbalance, which we had to then go ahead and flow a set of injectors. So we're just checking from right to left lambda. So let's make a pull on the right side. We already made one on the left.
Okay, so just to clarify, this 991.1, this is the Metzger engine, correct?
Yeah, that is correct. These things are just incredible. This thing makes more power and torque than a Gen 2 car all day long. Heck, when we lightly port these intake manifolds, it makes as much as an RSR. The only difference is they run forever, and you get an unbelievable amount of track time out of them. We keep the revs down at around 87, 8,800 RPM. You'll see it'll make about peak power. And we use a 4340 rod rather than the titanium rod, which gives us way more durability. And we've seen these go easily more than 120 hours in club use. And they're just, the torque curve, the performance is just brilliant. These things are brilliant.
That's very impressive. So yeah, let's put the wheels to the dyno.
Yeah, let's light this thing up. It's pretty happy. All day long makes 440 to the tire. This is our basic 4-liter, perfect club engine. Can't use them for use in, but the car's not eligible for any of the Pro Series anyways. So this is an ideal engine for PCA, club racing, or any of the other series.
So for open track days, time trial.
Yeah. A lightly ported manifold on top of there. It'll make 460. That's it. We're wrapping it up.
Awesome.